This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes to learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to title or plot a graph in R, add other text or words, and make it generally more beautiful. If you haven't already, you'll want to watch the tutorial titled How to Graph Simple Plots and Make Scatter Plots in R. But be sure to get some popcorn and snuggle up, because this one's a doozy. Alright, let's make a plot with the points 1, 3, 7, 2, and 3, 9, and force the x and y axes to go from 0 to 10. Now I'm going to run the exact same plot call, except I'm going to add this axis equals false parameter to it. And notice that the border's gone. If I add the axis equals false parameter to the same call, but also xlab and ylab equal quote quote, notice when I run it again, the x and y labels are gone too. Now we're going to add axes on our own. If you have questions about this, type $axis. Alright, the axis function only requires one parameter, which side to put it on. So if I say side 1, it goes at the bottom, 2 is at the left, 3 is on top, 4 is at the right. There's the bottom and right side axis. If I refresh the plot and then add a numeric vector to the axis call, here's a numeric vector with 2, 4, and 8, in the at parameter, I can tell the axis call which points to put tick marks at, 2, 4, and 8. Let me refresh the plot again, and now not only am I going to put tick marks at 2, 4, and 8, but I'm going to add a character vector that has the same length as this numeric vector with the actual labels that should go at those tick marks. Notice this time I use side equals 3, so the axis instead of on the bottom is on the top. 2, 4, 8. Great! The text function now. Let's refresh our plot with our borders, our original borders. The text function is going to add this text, this string here at the x point of 7 and the y point of 9. When I run it, 7, 9, there's the text. In fact, I can add text at multiple points at once. Here I've just put the x coordinates and the y coordinates and a character string containing the labels at each dot and the position I want. 1 is below. This has been a work of R.